Sealing cracks in a driveway stops small problems from becoming expensive failures by preventing water, soil movement, and root intrusion. Driveway crack sealing is primarily about blocking water and contaminants from entering the base and subgrade so the pavement keeps its structural support. Start by cleaning the crack thoroughly with a wire brush and compressed air or a garden hose until loose debris, vegetation, and dust are removed. If organic material remains, treat it with a diluted household bleach solution and rinse, then let dry. For small hairline cracks, use a high-quality pourable asphalt emulsion or flexible polymer filler that bonds to the sides and remains elastic as temperatures change. Apply slowly so the material fully penetrates and then level it flush with a trowel. For wider cracks or joints, backfill with foam backer rod to the recommended depth, so the sealant uses the correct geometry and is not pulled out during thermal movement. Ensure ambient and surface temperatures meet the product instructions, usually above 40 degrees Fahrenheit and rising, and allow full cure time before traffic, typically 24 to 48 hours depending on product and weather. Regular inspection every 6 to 12 months after sealing will catch failed sections early, so you can reapply touch-up rather than replace whole panels. The most common mistake is leaving the crack dirty or wet, which prevents adhesion and causes the seal to peel out later. So always clean and dry the area first and consider a primer for porous surfaces. A second issue is using rigid fillers in a setting that needs flexibility, which leads to new cracking. Choose a flexible polymer-modified sealant and use backer rod in wide gaps to maintain movement joints. The third concern is applying sealants at the wrong temperature or during impending rain. Check the forecast and product label and reschedule if conditions are outside the manufacturer recommended window so you do not trap moisture or prevent proper curing. On BigHomeProjects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and share real-world project experiences that help people make better decisions about maintenance like crack sealing. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, ask questions, and post photos so everyone learns practical ways to extend driveway life and reduce future costs.